Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and making the work area safe. Turn off the wall switch, then switch the circuit breaker if you can. This removes any doubt about live wires. Use a ladder steady against the ceiling and wear gloves to protect the panel and your hands. Once done, remove any nearby furniture or lay a drop cloth to catch debris. Make sure your replacement LED matches dimensions and connector type so you won't need improvisation mid-job. You now remove the existing panel and access the driver. First, hold the panel while you loosen screws or release clips so it doesn't fall. Then, use your multimeter to confirm 0 volts at the wiring. Safety first. Once confirmed, disconnect quick connects or unscrew wire nuts and label or photograph the wire arrangement to preserve polarity and grounding. Remove the LED driver if the new unit requires a different one, and keep screws and small parts organized for reassembly. You finish by installing the replacement LED and verifying operation. Connect the driver and matches to the house wiring, ensuring the ground is secure and wires are tight. This prevents heat and flicker. Carefully seat the panel into the frame and fasten clips or screws so it sits flush without pinching cables. Once mounted, restore power at the breaker and switch. Check for steady light, correct color temperature, and no buzzing. If flicker or noise appears, cut power and recheck connections and driver compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.